You want your drawer slides to open and close smoothly, and one way to ensure they do is to pick a slide with a sufficient weight rating. This is the maximum weight the manufacturer says a slide or pair of slides can safely hold. Slides typically are rated for 75, 100, or 150 pounds, though some are rated for less, and some specialty slides can handle as much as 220 pounds. For example, this center mount slide can handle just 35 pounds, while these heavy-duty slides are rated for 220 pounds, making them a great choice for a file cabinet. Slide length is the next key consideration. Slides come in a variety of lengths, usually ranging from 10 to 28 inches in increments of 2 or 3 inches. How you figure out the right slide length depends on the type of mount. For side and center mount slides, you typically need to know how deep your cabinet is. On cabinets with overlaid drawer fronts, where the drawer fronts cover the cabinet opening, measure the distance from the front edge of the cabinet to the cabinet back, and then subtract 1 inch. With inset drawer fronts, which sit flush with the cabinet face, you also need to subtract the thickness of the drawer front. For undermount slides, you need to measure the drawer length. This is really important. The slide must be the same length as the drawer to work properly. For all types, you also need to consider whether your cabinets are traditional face frame cabinets or frameless Euro-style cabinets. Installation on face frame cabinets will require the use of rear mounting brackets to anchor the back of the slides. On Euro-style cabinets, the slides can be mounted directly to the cabinet sides. Color is another variable to think about. Most ball bearing slides come in a zinc finish, but some lengths of the Centerline Lifetime Series 757 also are available in black, a great option for furniture and entertainment centers. And the Bloom epoxy-coated slides come in white or brown, a color available only at Rockler. If you have more questions, contact the experts in our Tech Services Department or visit your local Rockler retailer. You can also check out our catalog or go online at rockler.com.